Hey guys, in this video I'm going to go over how you can adjust the screen brightness on your Kindle Paperwhite and also how you can switch back and forth between dark mode and regular mode. So what we're going to do from the top area is do a long drag down. This is going to bring up this menu, and you can also do this whether you're on your home page or if you're in a book itself. Again, doing a long drag down from the top of the screen. This is going to open us up to some options. Now for the brightness, I do auto brightness, so it's going to adjust based on the brightness of the environment around you. But if you want to manually adjust this, you can uncheck the auto brightness and then drag and drop where you want the brightness to be. The higher you go, the brighter it'll get, and the lower you go, the duller it will get. But again, like I said, I like to do auto brightness, so I'm going to check this box. Something that I also like to play around with is dark mode. So switching over to dark mode, it's basically going to inverse the colors on the screen. So what was light is now dark and vice versa. So if we go to our book, we can see that it's now with a dark background and light words, as opposed to if we switch it back. Of course, in normal mode, it's going to be more like reading a book where it's a lighter background with the darker text. And additionally, another thing I like playing around with here in the settings is the warmth of the screen. So if it's all the way over to the left, that means you're going to have more blue light emitting from the screen. And as we drag it over to the right, you can see the screen becomes more yellow. That just means that the blue light isn't emitting as much. And this can be easier on the eyes when reading, particularly later in the day or at nighttime when it's dark out. So I hope this video was helpful, walking you through the step-by-step process on how you go about changing the brightness settings, as well as switching back and forth between dark mode and regular mode, and also playing around with the warmth of the color of your screen. I appreciate you guys stopping by. Consider subscribing to the YouTube channel, and I'll see you back here next time.